So the best time to plant a tree is probably yesterday. Second best time is today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
This is the shoot. It's always grow and leaves come out of it.
Okay.
Now, this is the breadfruit.
Oh yeah.
Whenever you see this, you know breadfruit is going to be here.
Okay. So how much do we have on this?
One so far.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about this tree. When did you plant it?
No, one breadfruit. It's not one breadfruit. It's a breadfruit here.
Alright, let me tell you something.
And see, okay, this one now. This is the shoot.
Can it become a fruit?
Yeah. See the breadfruit. The fruit is right here, inside here.
Interesting.
Guys,
So
let
when
me
did you
tell
plant
you
this tree, Papa G?
Uh,
It can't be more than 3 years ago, right?
Okay, Skye, look where you're stepping. Remember when we started the foundation of the house? That's right. That was me.
2021?
me.
Yeah, so May 2025 would be what?
4 years.
4 years? Yeah.
So
And see, it's gonna be another fruit here. And see one more over there, it's gonna put out another fruit.
Alright, let me tell
And
you.
one inside there, so.
wonderful.
Alright, let me tell you something, guys.
What you telling me, Skye?
So look. Now, this is the blossom.
What's going on?
Now that's the coverage over the leaf.
Yes.
That's the leaf coverage, okay.
Yes.
If you notice,
Always called
it bears towards the sun.
Yeah, I realize there's none on this side of it.
No. So you see how important the sunlight is? It's just like if you're gonna build your house, you put it facing the sun.
Reduce the mold.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a
A sword is coming up here.
sword.
You see it fat? Yeah, a sword is coming up there.
He has a companion fruit tree here. Maybe it's a lemon or a lime or some sort of citrus that's growing straight from the root. I'm sure this would have been a bigger tree by now, but maybe the breadfruit tree shaded.
That can't cut down.
Well, actually, let's just see what becomes of it.
See it's sword right here so again.
Yes, yes.
See that? So it's gonna be another fruit here. It's gonna be a lot of breadfruit, cause
It's a small tree.
yeah,
A lot of growing together. Hopefully it's a yellow heart. Papa, do you know? You have to wait.
I'm not sure.
Alright, thank you for the information. Papa G, so what are you doing right now in this pepper bed?
I'm just weeding up the pepper, the grass out of the pepper, because the rain had give it some problem.
Alright, well you get back at your work then. Yeah.
So I'm getting the grass out of it. It doesn't like grass.
Hello boys. I definitely owe you guys a shower. I need to bathe you guys and clean out your house. But that's not gonna be before Sunday. How you doing? Samson. And Simeon here. Hey Simeon. Alright. Let's see what else is going on with these fruit trees today. Oh, the pomegranate tree is blazing. So much fruits. Different stages of development. There's still even blossoms popping out. So I'm super excited. The storm did a number on it, so I think it's just coming around. Sometimes you notice after the fruit trees they experience a storm or some sort of traumatic event, even pruning, you can see that it has come back so nice, and it's really fruiting a lot, even more than before. There's tons of fruit on this. Now we all know the pomegranate is a great source of antioxidants, and it's great for prostate health, cancer reduction, and all these and different things. Good source of roughage too. if you swallow the seed. These papayas, they were planted by Mama G not very long ago. They survived burial, and boy are they productive. They're just pushing out a ton load of fruits. Look at that. Certainly not my favorite fruit, but if they're sweet, I don't mind eating it. Goes well with smoothies as well. And this is the blossom right there. Let's get a close-up of that. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh man, look at this bad boy here. This is loaded. There's easily a dozen fruits on this, and tons more to come. Blossoms for days. Wow. Just wow. And then this one up here. This is all growing on in the midst of this PapaG tomato, which are also bearing, turns out. Oh, these ones, these are nice. Seems like it's different species too, because this shape is certainly different from that one. That one seemed to be more elongated over there, and these tend to be a little bit more rounded, I guess. We'll see. I'm sure there's some cross-pollination going on too, since they're so close. But this is definitely exciting. Should be able to get some papaya juice and stuff soon. Oh, look over there. This is Skye's corn tree. She planted this corn tree back in July as a project from her VBS, her Vacation Bible School. They grow corn from the seed, and then she took home her sucker and planted it. Well, her grandfather planted it. Her grandfather assisted her to plant it, and look at it. Seems like it's going to be putting out corn soon. That's amazing. That is amazing. Seems like these are going to become corn. And there's definitely, I guess they call it a hair or whatever. Oh, that's sort of the blossom up here. Now I see why corn is really considered to be a type of grass, or looks just like a grass. That's amazing. Seems like there's another papaya, man. I don't know where all these come from. They just keep popping up all over. And this one is bearing too as well. And there's the passion fruit. Since this thing started bearing, I don't think it ever stopped bearing. And I can still see fruit on it and blossoms, and it just keep. Man, it's so important to plant trees because you just never know. And these trees were not planted very long ago, so the best time to plant a tree is probably yesterday. Second best time is today, because these things will produce food in no time. It's like a dark canopy. There's even, if you listen carefully, you can even hear the bees. Pollination is in action. There's all banana trees growing under here. It's pretty dark under here too. Seems like the canopy that PapaG and I put up seems to be keeping up. And this is a lemon tree here that I planted. I don't remember when, probably about a year and a half ago. And it is growing like crazy. Well, I don't see any blossoms yet, so I'm really hoping in the next 6 months we can have some blossoms on this one. But yeah, these passion fruits makes amazing juice can also be made into like salad dressing and stuff. It has that very nice tart flavor to it. But yeah, this guy is doing pretty good. Pretty darn good. This one seemed like it didn't pollinate pretty well. It's fascinating. It's one of the most spectacular flora of any fruit I've seen though. Look at this. And it was created by our creator. Now I see why the bees go crazy for this thing. It smells great too. Merengue. This thing is awesome. I don't think you have to tell anybody what this is good for. Everybody knows that this is a potent anti-cancer plant. And even this slug is enjoying. Look at him, he's so huge. My word. But yeah, this tree is really doing well. Lots of blossoms. So I'm expecting to see pods soon. We'll see. They say you can even just pick the leaf and eat it. Doesn't really have any specific taste. It just tastes like greens. This is a mulberry tree here. And it's growing up into the sky. It's pretty tall right now. I don't know if I intended for it to be this tall, but nothing going on right now. No mulberries in sight. It's quite surprising. It's always bearing. One of the rare times I've not seen anything on it. Here's the other mulberry tree. This one is much smaller, as you can see. Nothing on it either, so I guess this is a very quiet time for mulberry. I'm actually tasting a little bit of an aftertaste. Kind of spicy, I guess, from the merengue. Interesting. Spicy, lemony. I think this would probably go well in salad, man. But yeah, no fruits in sight on this one either. I don't even know what you call these, but they have really taken off. And the pollinators, they love them. Look at the bee. This bee seemed like he died. Literally, looked like the bee died.
This must be picked and probably this.
So Skye is reaping the first harvest of cherry from this tree that was planted about 2.5 to 3 years ago.
We don't know when, but take that one down. You see? That red one? Yes.
This one?
Yes. Give it to me.
It's not even a very big tree, it's a very small tree actually. It has a lot of growing to go, so I'm really pleasantly surprised that it's fruiting already.
You must.
Have you tried one of them, Skye?
I didn't try one of them. I'm going to let everybody pick one.
This one is not so good here.
Alright. You don't have to worry about this. You can't touch it, but You can even touch the other.
There's one right here, Skye.
This.
Can you reach it?
Yes.
And look at this blossom. See the blossom right here?
Yes.
That's gonna be
I can't see it.
the white blossom right there.
Yeah.
That's gonna become a cherry.
You can't touch this because you don't have to worry about this. You can touch this.
There's no thorns on it. There's
no thorns on it that can prick you. Is this one good?
not yet. Maybe you need to spend a couple more days on the tree. But yeah,
So
good to know.
I'm showing them this. I'm showing them how many.
Oh, Skye has gotten. How many do you count in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, that's 6. Half a dozen. And there are plenty that we missed that fell on the ground.
Yes.
But those are probably not good.
That one is
Once
not
they
good.
fell, they're not good. Once they fall, they're not good. And something is eating them too on the tree, like this one
birds
here.
or something.
Yeah, probably a bird. But yeah, I see a lot more blossoms.
Birds didn't like cherries.
Oh, they do.
There's a tree up there and it's breadfruit.
So what are you gonna do with your harvest of cherries, Skye? See another one.
If there's nothing in the harvest,
Are you gonna eat them? Are you gonna share them with Grandma?
yes, share them with everybody.
All right.
It's going away.
It's over here, baby. Come here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's an orange right there. That is apparently ready to harvest. Can you go and pluck it? Not that one. It's over there. Look,
This one.
by the tomato tree. Be careful. Oh. Sorry.
I'm fine.
You're fine. Good job. Can't see you never pick an orange before. Right. It was pretty hard to
Pretty
pluck.
good.
And there's some smaller orange here coming. Do you see them, Skye? That's a bunch
Yes,
there.
they're coming up. All the seed time and harvest. Now on seed time and harvest.
Look what. So Skye washed her cherry and she's about to try her first cherry. Go ahead.
First time a tree.
Maybe.
I'm gonna eat the part with this.
You want to share some with Grandma?
Yeah.
Give one to Grandma and let Grandma try it.
Good. Nice. Blessings.
It's the first time, so it may not be as sweet.
Sweet.
It's sweet. So I'm expecting even more harvest soon because it's kind of blossoming still. Let me try one, Skye.
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Not bad. It definitely can be sweeter, but it's not bad. Yeah, it's not sour.
When it's ripe, juicy ripe, it's gonna be sweet.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Skye harvested her first cherry from her tree. Hopefully we can make some cherry juice in the future, Skye.
Yes. But